I'm going to demonstrate how to work the PTBL or purl through the back loop stitch in slow motion. Let's get right to it. Let's go slow-mo.
Okay, here we go. This is a purl stitch that comes at the stitch from the left side of the back loop. Don't worry, I'm going to do this a few more times. You come at the back loop of the stitch from the left side of it, so the two needle tips end up coming out the same direction through the stitch. Does that make sense? From the left side of the back loop, pushing your needle tip forward. Then you wrap it and pull it through like any other purl stitch. And here's one in full motion, full speed.
And that's it. Hopefully you have what you need now to get back to your knitting. Good luck.